Render in your house to give it amazing look. Can you render your house yourself? Yes, you can. Look at these professional workmen and see step-by-step instruction how to render your house yourself. Rendering mainly do in two steps. First, you do the rough rendering, they call it the rough flash, and then you do the second step, which is graniting. Graniting is the more fine and smooth process. So, in this video, we walk you through some steps and instruction what rendering and graniting is all about.
Yeah, so the weight of the wall is very important. So, you know, with the wall,
What are you kind of pass?
yeah, they got it hold on properly, and as the workman said, it dry too quick so it crack. And you don't want that this is finishing. You want it nice and smooth, no fault. That's it. So see, I don't know where I'm get a dragon on the work, you know, spit up there. One of vibes. So make a note of the graniting. The graniting is like, see like where you're drawing the showy lawn, but this is not showy lawn, it's a granite. So the granite, they mix a very refined sand with cement and water to make a mortar paste.
Yes.
And they draw it to the wall. Very easy but very technical. So if you understand what you're doing, it can be very easy. It's a very technical job.
You have to know what you're doing.
So every concrete house, this is how they do the finishing. The granite to the inside. Sometimes they use shovel on and some rougher thing on the outside, but this is inside. Every inside, granite it. So look. Quick and fast.
As you can see clearly, the workmen use their float and trowel to draw the mortar paste on the rough wall. Then they will leave this mortar paste to coil, and they will use their float to rub it and then pick out additional spots.
This roof is already done, you know? What you call this again? And then the dropper?
Stocking.
Stocking.
Raindrop.
Alright, yeah, so this.
That's one last year.
Yeah, so the roof is already complete. The ceiling is already complete. So it have stocky or raindrop. That's what they do. So when you see paint, you see the beauty of it. It's a difference. You know, we concentrate.
Bring some.
Concentrating on the granite. This is in Jamaica. So these are Jamaican workmen. Very simple and easy.
You want that view?
Yeah.
I know people don't know already. Then I'm gonna let you awesome.
I want to say your cousin. Within about half an hour time about this, right? Yeah.
If you want instruction and information how to mix the mortar paste that you use to do the graniting or rendering on this wall, see my video, Granite Sand Mortar Mix. In that video you will get all the instruction and the mixing formula to make a mortar paste to get your wall with a smooth and amazing look. However, if you're watching this video and these workmen are not doing the job the right way, let us know. Tell me where they go wrong. Tell me what they could do to make it better. It's always a pleasure to hear your views. And if you think this video was educational or interesting, please leave a like, subscribe, press the notification bell to get and see more videos like this.
Yeah.
Pick out the lowest one.
Holiday.
Holiday.
The touches any holiday.
I hear that. The man said I'm gonna do the holiday pick out. You call it pick out, them say the holiday. Why you call it holiday?
Why?
Yeah.
Why? So come on the side, don't hear me from your boy.
Okay, so make it see. So make it see this so then.
Yeah. Hold them with the wall.
Yeah.
Can holiday. And if the touches left after you go over to the minor. So we are calling to the minor then.
Yeah. Yeah, so this is a graniting, finishing up any concrete building. So these are the official rough. These are just the pick out, right? And after you do the
Yeah, it's sponge.
yeah.
Yeah, final coat panel is sponge. You know, let me suppose. So when we got this now, when we put it up,
Yeah. See, they always make the world look easy, but it's not easy as it look, you know, they're just here's a service, they know what they're doing. So the dark spot there right between your waist, what is white on the side?
that's it, that's it.
Is that thing? So they have to pull it out. Oh, is that switch? Oh. So that pick out, yeah.
Yeah, you have to stop paper like you don't want to get it. When the electrician comes, the electrician finally.
Yeah, so that spot is a switch. Yeah. Something to always remember, never draw your mortar paste on the wall without wetting it. Never. Always wet the wall for best granite result. Rendering result, wet the wall. Never draw the granite mortar paste on the wall without wet it. So for best practice, always remember to do so. It's very important. Do remember to pay attention to your corners, very important. Sometimes when the job is finished and you're looking at the corner, it's not neat and nice like the middle of the wall. It's very important to pay attention to the corners. Yes, so if the corner is neat and the middle of the wall and everywhere is neat, it's a better job. It's amazing look, that's what you want. So pay attention to your corners.
So the wall over there is pumping, right?
Yeah. 2 walls over there, just look at holiday and the touch out the line.
Yo, these guys are super quick. They are fast. They don't play. Take the time to get the work out the way.
So you can see that the workmen work from up, come down. So they put the mortar paste on the wall, starting from up, the upper part of the wall, and work their way down. If you work from down going up, you will only mess up what you do before. So it's double work. So it's best to work from up, come down. Always remember that, cannot go wrong. So it's up, come down.
You wanna work fast, man. Oh, no, some more weed. Oh. Yo, these guys don't play. These guys are quick. And that is what people like for their money, you know? Quick, get over with it. So if you want to finish your house quick for Christmas, these are the men for the job. So the people like finish up things for Christmas, the last moment thing. They don't want to work done at this time but Christmas. 1 bag of years. Yeah. Done for Christmas.
Then time you know about work in the store.
But you see the thing where you understand you see when the thing pierce, you know, and the cement are covered on the sand and less working on it.
Yeah.
And quick time it rub out and but the sand there they are kick up.
They have put cement in it.
Yeah.
But you don't see me now.
Yeah. One it forward to the next one.
you want to see about the granite do the rendering too?
The towel. Plastering.
Yes, pleasure. Oh. Okay. Sean do it?
Yeah, Sean do it. Yes, man. But I will do it like that. Okay, so
Okay.
Oh, that works. I feel myself here. Yeah, man, I really work, yes. Everything else is kind of important.
Yeah, so this is the top. The top is a different design, different style. Yeah, man, this is supposed to be enough.
Yeah, mix two. Yeah, man, mix two. Yeah, I'll make up two there. And you know,
Can I bring it in?
I
don't want two then. I'm going to say outside. Better have more than bless.
yeah, man, that's two can do. Two nice.
Because you will do the one the coffee cup for doing and I can't find it.
Two nice.